Can AI save lives from devastating natural disasters? Welcome to Tech and Trek, exploring the past, powered by the future. As the world faces an increasing number of devastating natural disasters, technology is stepping in to change the game. But can artificial intelligence truly help us predict, prepare for, and respond to these disasters in ways never seen before? From powerful hurricanes to raging wildfires, AI is revolutionizing disaster management. In today's video, we dive into how AI is becoming a lifesaver in the face of catastrophe. Let's explore. When it comes to responding to natural disasters, every minute counts. The sooner we're able to act, the more lives we can save. And that's exactly why AI technology is being hailed as a game changer in disaster response. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, we can potentially mitigate the effects of natural disasters and save countless lives. Natural disasters are becoming more frequent and intense, and it's getting harder to prepare for them. From hurricanes and wildfires to tsunamis and earthquakes, the list of devastating events seems to be growing by the day. And as the frequency and severity of these events increase, traditional response methods are being pushed to the limit. In many cases, they're simply not equipped to handle the scale of the disaster. That's why we need new solutions, and fast. The reality is that natural disasters are a ticking time bomb, and we can't afford to wait any longer to find ways to better respond to them. The human cost of these events is already staggering, and it's only going to get worse unless we take action. We need to find a way to stay ahead of the curve, to anticipate and prepare for these events before they strike. The problem is that traditional response methods often rely on manual processes, which can be slow and prone to error. They're also heavily dependent on human intuition, which can be flawed. That's where AI comes in. By leveraging machine learning algorithms and advanced data analysis, we can develop systems that are faster, more accurate, and more efficient. These systems can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions that can help us prepare for and respond to disasters more effectively. The potential is enormous, and it's an area that's already being explored by researchers and emergency responders around the world. But the challenges are significant. For one thing, natural disasters are inherently unpredictable, making it difficult to develop systems that can accurately predict when and where they'll strike. Additionally, the data itself is often incomplete, unreliable, or inconsistent, which can make it difficult to make accurate predictions. And even if we do develop effective systems, there's the question of how to integrate them into existing response infrastructure. It's not as simple as just plugging in some new software and expecting it to work. It requires a fundamental shift in how we approach disaster response, and that's a tall order. Despite these challenges, researchers and developers are making rapid progress in using AI to improve disaster response. From developing predictive models that can identify areas at high risk of flooding or landslides, to creating real-time monitoring systems that can track the spread of wildfires or hurricanes, AI is being used in a wide range of applications. And it's not just about predicting disasters. AI is also being used to improve communication during crises, helping emergency responders to coordinate their efforts more effectively and respond more quickly to emerging situations. For example, researchers have developed AI-powered chatbots that can help emergency responders communicate with the public more effectively during disasters. These chatbots can provide critical information, such as evacuation routes and shelter locations, in real time, helping to reduce panic and confusion. They can also help emergency responders to prioritize their efforts by identifying areas where help is needed most urgently. It's a small but important step, and one that could make a big difference in the heat of a disaster. Another area where AI is making a big impact is in damage assessment. By analyzing satellite imagery and other data, AI systems can quickly identify areas where damage is most severe, helping emergency responders to target their efforts more effectively. This can be a huge time saver, as it eliminates the need for manual surveys and allows responders to get to work more quickly. And by analyzing data from previous disasters, AI systems can even help to identify areas that are most at risk of future disasters, allowing responders to take proactive steps to mitigate the damage. One compelling case study that highlights the effectiveness of AI in disaster response is the work being done by researchers at the University of California, Berkeley. They've developed an AI-powered system that can predict the likelihood of landslides in areas affected by wildfires. By analyzing data on soil moisture, vegetation, and other factors, the system can identify areas where the risk of landslides is highest and provide critical information to emergency responders. In one recent study, the system was able to accurately predict the location of landslides within a 90% accuracy rate, which is a staggering result. By harnessing the power of AI, we can transform disaster response and save countless lives. It's not a magic solution, and it's not a replacement for human ingenuity and bravery, but it's a critical tool that can help us to respond more quickly, more effectively, and more efficiently to natural disasters, and that's exactly what we need. The power of AI in disaster management is undeniable. From predicting storms before they strike to streamlining relief efforts when every second counts. But as technology evolves, so does the question: how much can we rely on AI to safeguard our future? What do you think? Will AI be the key to saving lives in the face of nature's fury? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech and Trek for more insights into the technology shaping our world. See you in the next adventure. See you in the...